Not sure where to start, but here it goes. As a younger man, I always wanted a Lotus 7, but never got to a point where it became a reality. Then one day my father-in-law made mention of a South African sports car called a Marauder. To be frank, I had never seen one or even heard of a Marauder before. As life happens, a few years passed, and then my father-in-law told me that he was going to buy one. So I took a drive with him, and together we went to have a look at the Marauder that he wanted to buy. First impression, nice car, but the frog-type lights were not really my thing. Nevertheless, he made the required payment, and I was told to drive it home. That is where the bug bit me. However, a week or two later, he gave me a call and told me to join him to go look at another Marauder just around the block from where I live. To my surprise, he also bought it. It was not a runner, and we had to tow it away. My father-in-law said we had to tow it to my place because it's close, and then we could make other arrangements to get it to his place. Once we got to my place, I was told, here you go, here are the keys, it's yours. So as most stories go from here, I needed to get it running, then register it in my name and make it roadworthy. Also, my father-in-law then introduced me to Jan and Theans, the guys keeping the Marauders alive in South Africa. I did the quick fix to get it running, a quick repaint and some repairs to the engine, and it was running. Must say that while I was busy with the repairs, the body shape kind of grew on me, and in my mind's eye, the frog-type lights now suit the body perfectly. Needless to say, I have come to love my Marauder. After 8 years of ownership, I am totally smitten and will never sell it. I have decided to do a full restoration of my Marauder, and what a task it is.